All right, would you believe we're going to talk about belts yet again? We're now offering our belts on Amazon. There's a couple of reasons why we're doing this. One, I've noticed that there are some counterfeit Hunterworks belts out there or using our name. So we are putting Hunterworks original in parentheses on our listings. So, and you can look in the description, see where it says shipped, sold by Hunterworks, shipped by Hunterworks. We're still doing FedEx 2-day shipping, etc. So that way you'll know you're getting original. The second thing I noticed on Amazon is that the applications were wrong. We might have a standard belt that says it fits a general. That's a 92G. So we want to make sure our fitments are correct. So as a convenience to you, not only for fast, shopping on Amazon, is making sure that the fitments are correct. And then thirdly, obviously, is like I said, is a convenience for you if you shop on Amazon. I know how easy it is because I shop on there. I was driving the other day, needed something, hit buy now, and I had it on its way. So those are the reasons that we're doing it. Obviously, we still prefer you to buy direct. Our descriptions are accurate. You get it the same amount of time on Amazon or Hunterworks, which we ship our belts FedEx 2-day. Anyway, so either way is fine with us, but we just wanted to expand our offerings. Hunter, my son, came to work here, and this has been an expansion for him that I didn't have time to do. So he is our Amazon sales guy. So if you got any questions about the Amazon stuff, Hunter at Hunterworks.com. Text questions, as always, Todd at Hunterworks.com. So once again, just another outlet to purchase our belts to make sure that you get the original, the correct one for your model. Make sure you read descriptions, and just convenient for you. Got any questions? Hit us up. Thank you so much.